This video is covering the often overlooked concern about bulk as well as weight while you're traveling. These items that I'm paring down might seem rather minor, but I have lugged them for over 6-7 months across most of Peru and Ecuador, and I know just shaving some grams off each thing and reducing redundant chargers is a win-win, and having fewer items to keep up with is also going to reduce your stress a lot. Being I'm old and need to take care of my teeth, I've been using Sonicare, but the old one, and it is quite old, it's been very reliable, but it's kind of bulky. Plus you gotta have this charger as well. But the new one, you can charge it right in the case. So, see right there's the USB-C. It's quite small. It's a lot smaller. Open it up. You can look at. There's brush head, and you got the handle. So it's pretty small. Fits in there really nice. It'll charge just like that. No need to carry any extra bulk. Next up is this DJI charger. It's got a power supply. It's got a power cord. It's got multi-charger. I'm replacing it with this one very simple device that has a USB charger. It will do USB-C to C or regular USB A to C. And it'll weigh a lot less than even this one piece, let alone all that bulk. This item not only will cut down on weight, this charger will charge twice as many batteries at once through USB-C, or it has an attached USB-A cable. I personally would rather not have that cable attached and make the device even thinner. This one only plugs into wall outlets. But the huge savings you can't see on this video is there's quite a weight difference also. This one's much lighter. You can see the old Sonic toothbrush kit for travel weighed 443 grams. That's about a pound. The new Sonicare kit for my dental maintenance is just 233 and a little change. So that's a savings of over 200 grams. It's nearly half the weight. The old one is much more compact and easier to carry. The original DJI charger, while it will charge 3 at once, usually not necessary while traveling, it weighs in at 257 grams roughly. USB-C charger for the same DJI battery only weighs 22.5 grams. That's a quarter of a kilo of savings. So it's a half-pound lighter, in other words. This AC Canon battery charger weighs in at 106 grams. This 2 battery charger, USB-C charger, at that weighs in at 65. So we're only saving roughly 40 grams, but this will be more convenient, and it also is less bulky. So with just these 3 items I've covered today in this video, I've reduced my weight by just over a pound, 485 grams. Might not sound like much, but when you apply this philosophy to all that you're carrying, you can definitely make the load lighter, and your future self will thank you. I know mine will, as I climb on and off buses, and by having light gear, I can carry it with me. I don't have to put it under the bus. I don't have to check it at the airport. And by having nothing but carry-on and a personal item, you greatly reduce your time through customs, and often your gear will not be x-rayed by taking this route. That is, at customs when you enter a country. Of course, TSA is going to have their way with everything on your way out. If you follow this channel, you're likely aware of my whitewater offerings, and possibly you are aware of my Ocoee River Guidebook. I'm looking for some donations so I can take it to the next level. It's been a labor of love, but hey, I got to eat too, and I'm living near the poverty level and working way too hard. So if you'd like to share some love and help make the guidebook even better, look down in the description below and click the link to the crowdsourcing, or rather the GoFundMe campaign. I'd appreciate any donations you're willing to make, no matter how big or small. Thank you.